My name is Enes Danovich, and I am a graduate of the Masters of Engineering Management program here at the University of Windsor. Initially, when I signed up, I was working a full-time job at Stellantis. The MEM program really catered the way the whole semester is set up towards people who can achieve a master's degree, work full-time, and actually even have a family and other obligations outside of work. There's a lot of engineers still out there who are looking to get into the program management world. The way the program is set up, it's classes every other week, so it gives you a lot of time to complete your assignments, study for exams, collaborate with partners, and then at the same time still be able to finish your obligations at your full-time job and with your family and stuff. So currently I'm a program manager at Roush in Allen Park. The MEM program has really helped me just fine-tune my skills in terms of program management language, knowing what a WBS is, knowing what a risk register is. The entire program is project-based, and then at the end of the program is when you have your capstone. So you get to apply everything that you've learned throughout the year and a half into that last half a year and really learn that even within a well-run business, there's always room for improvement. There's always room for a little bit of better program management to be implemented in there. In terms of the program management world, this degree does help you be able to expand out to different areas of engineering, different areas of program management. So it doesn't have to just be within engineering. You could go program manage, IT or HR or other areas where if you use the same skills across all areas, you can manage it effectively. I think that this program really helps you understand the fundamentals of business. It really just helps you get an understanding of what it is to run a project from all aspects. Thrive at UWindsor.